Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Umintri ka Sorkar jila bakmi ikatna social welfare ba Lyngba hakar photrik rumpang Hajar pausan ula pintip baga Sorkar jila Lyngba ka drug reduction elimination and action mission rathamuan pen khashu ik village defense party hakishnong hapo asor bat khapsor banya khun thama persha ikajing delay jongudrang habakran hakajing alang bakina yalam nyam bidan hapo ka shatri jong all faith forum Kabalong State Convention Center Shillong, harangkat kejalan lang jog Mission Director ke Dream, Ubak Francis Khashiyeng, Menteri Ketenak Social Welfare, Ulang Baya Menta, Kidan Tangkat Wedli Village Defense Party, Hapadeng Nyolak Ngut Kinang Shoshnong Kanong Ba Shillong. Ubak po layat hu baga Sorkar Lyngba Kanika Mission, Klapen Kreru Ban Kintiu Yakajing Siew Shedikot Jong Village Defense Party, Naga Praspa Tingka, Chakalai Hajar Tingka Bnai. Nalor kani, ulihat hu syu ki kamba ka drug reduction elimination and action mission, klapen telun barok shikata banyak hun thama persha ya drug.
The revival of village defense parties, we have reinitiated the creation of more VDPs. As some of you might be aware, there are just 11 VDPs in the city of Shillong with a population that is nearing 7 lakhs. Just 11 VDPs alone will not do. And to incentivize these VDPs, we have arranged provisions like uniforms, torches, and also the financial incentive has been raised from rupees 800, which was the prevailing rate, to rupees 3,000 per volunteer per month. If we do not act, meeting you here is a criminal waste of your time and a criminal waste of our time as well. So let's take this that we are here as a team. Let's not try to score self-goals. Let's not try to prove that I am smarter than he is. I am doing more than he is. I am reaching more than he is. Our attitude should be, we are here against a major common enemy. We need to eradicate that enemy through teamwork. Teamwork